Hey guys, hope you're doing well today. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button on my channel, give it a thumbs up, and share around. So I just want to show you my Hugelkultur bed. This will be the third season that I've been working with it, and it sunk down quite a bit this year just because I haven't done it properly, like the proper Hugelkultur way, which is you put a whole bunch of logs in the bottom, then like soil, wood chips, straw, compost, you do a few layers like that. Basically I just tossed in rotten logs in the bottom, leaves, and compost on top. So because I didn't fill in all the gaps, things is dropping down, or over the year things are soaking down into the gaps where there's spaces between the logs and wood and everything, which is fine. It's still working great. Last year was an awesome season with it. But I just want to show you what I'm doing here today. I'm just getting some compost here, and I'm just topping it up in places that need it. Like over here you can tell it's really sunk quite a bit, and there was a critter that got in there in the fall time too. I think made his home in there. Nice place. You can see some of the wood still sticking out, which is okay. I'm just going to try to bury that, and I want to try to get it as level as I can, and I want to try to do some giant pumpkins on the end so they grow out that way this year. I've never done the giant pumpkins, so we'll see how that goes. But yeah, just a quick little update. I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. I'll get a few loads here quickly. I probably won't do it all today because I'm kind of running back and forth doing different things in the garden here. I can't really focus on one task at a time, so we'll do a few loads here and I'll show you what it looks like after that. Okay, so I brought 3 loads of compost here. I'm just going to level it out, and what I'm going to do later on, I will probably get some sifted compost for the top so it's easier to plant in, because this stuff's still pretty chunky. Still lilies that rotted out fully, but I mean, it works, and I've had great success the past 2 years growing in here. So once I get my sifted compost in there, it'll be nice for the top dressing. So once I get this raked out, I'll show you what it looks like. Oh, as well here too, last year I did some strawberries and they got them back. I should probably take them all out, put more compost up and replant them, as they've all sunk down, and I want to have this kind of level, and I want to get some of the quack grass out of there so we don't have grass fighting between all the veggies this year that will be growing in here. And so here's some wood that I put in. It's nice and rotting, so it's getting nice broken down carbon and giving nutrients up to the plants, which is exactly what you want. Okay, so I actually brought another load over, so I got 4 loads of compost I put on top just to make sure it's up nicely. So it's looking pretty good. So once I get some I might even do wood chips on top. I haven't decided yet. Wood chips or some sifted compost on top there. And over here, like I said, I need to top this up too, but it'll be another day project when I can get the strawberries out and put them close together. Another cool thing is, this is some thyme from last year. It's still good. Survived the winter. It smells so good. So I should actually cut some off and take it home, but we'll see. I think these are some onions from last year as well. They're popping up right here. Cut some of those off for green onions. So there you go. So thanks for watching, guys. Happy gardening, and see you out there.